videos, I will show my exit videos. Like, I got this Sonic. I got this today. I got this at Christmas. I'll take his head off. Take his head off. See, I take his head off. It's very cool. His head's come out. The Sonic's arm. I'll put his body back. There. There, I've just put his body back. Let's go to my Master Sega. So I got this from yesterday. I got Master Sega. I like it a lot. Because I like it a lot. So this is how the game goes. You play. And you spin. Let's go on my Sonic collections. So I got Knuckles, Silver, Shadow, and Sonic. Let's go on my Sonic collections again. Let's see. I got Tails. It's very cool. I got it last Monday. It's very cool. He got arms. He can fly. It's very cool. And he said, "Hello." And that's how then his feet comes up. And I make him stand. Let's go in a small collection, Sonic collection. I got Sonic, Knuckles again, and Silver Sonic, and Robots, and the Robot Sonic, and Tails. Let's go on my Mario collections. I got Mario. For cool, he can move his arms. Cool. He can't stand. That's okay, he can stand. This is my Mario Kart for a long time ago. And also I got the Mario Kart and the Mario one and the Lego. Cool. And the Mario collection, and the Mario, and the B Mario, and the Big Mario. Let's go to my Luigi collections. I got the Goomba, Luigi, Luigi standing, Luigi again, and Lego Luigi. And I got Soccer Luigi. And I got a Yoshi this time. That's all my collection.